Hey guys, welcome to Delve Stack, and today I will be showing you how to hide a like account on Instagram. So to do this process first thing is of course you will just simply go ahead and open up the Instagram application into your device. Now, once you are here on the Instagram, first things first, you would just simply go ahead and go to your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now, over here on the bottom right corner, it will redirect you to the profile and select the three lines on the top right corner of the screen, which will be the settings and activity tab. Now, over here, you should be able to see here like share counts. So just simply scroll down and you should be able to see here like and share counts. So it will be on the what you see category. Go ahead and type on it. And from here, guys, in order for you to hide your like and share counts, you have to turn this on in order for you to do this process. And for individual post, guys, that you already made, open the post. You could just simply go ahead and select the post and select the three dots over here on the top right of the post. And should be able to see here hide like comment. So this will be for a specific post that you want to hide the like comment to or the like count to. But guys, if you want to hide everything into your post, of course, you need to go directly into your settings to do this process. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.